Down where it came from.
He's got the nose pointed down. Mother Nature is taking over with the gravity. He's got enough airspeed to start in the air again. As Fang gets right back to show center, he's going to start 1.5. Big barn starting loose. As Boards will dive in, try to get 180 degrees out of sequence with him, chasing him through on the squirrel cage. This space looks pretty good. One straight up, one straight down. One at the top, one at the bottom, they still got it going. Straight up, straight down again. These guys have nailed the squirrel cage today. Now watch his finger likes it high and further at the top. But ladies and gentlemen, turn around because here comes our number one fuel jet. Those beautiful tip tank lights shining on our hell. Now, one's going to break left, one's going to break right. They're going to break right across each other's nose tail, and hopefully they miss. I don't know, even though how close that was. Almost 1 4 down, 1 left and right. Boards is climbing high on that 845 line. Give a little bit jet over 1.5 times. Full reverse, head cube. As good old Fang comes streaking high above for the goals. Now, Boards going straight down the left. Look to the left while you see Wilbur. Look to the right while you see Sticky. This, the 2-on closing hit here at Show Center. Less than 50 feet of separation between these jet boys. Hit it and it'll be literally. That was good. You gotta admit it. To that number 2 jet before it falls out of the sky. There's a great tail slide. I think he's got more than 5 actions in all 39 and a half flying in full. But now look to your right, here comes that number 2 jet. Sticky and close to the knife edge pass.
6 feet off the bottom of the airplane. Watch as one will take this beautiful airway.
Now, Wilbur and Sticky both are going to pitch high up into the sky and they will dive down. So watch, Wilbur takes Show Center and go vertical. Sticky's going to show you why this ex-military trainer is so popular. guaranteed. Doesn't matter if you just need a laptop, a data source, a hard drive, a refrigerator, or a flat screen TV. Go to your local Fry's Electronics. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the Cubs, they're going to fly out now until number one jet says turn him down. And then they are going to race and see who can get right back here to Show Center. Pretending it's your local Fry's Electronics. They're racing back to see who can get to the best prize, which are always at Fry's first. Left and right, they cross from inbound. To the right, we've got number 4 and number 2 diving down. Getting low, oh, Sticky's getting lower. Oh, coming in, it's getting close, it's getting close. Looks like Baby Dora's in there first. There we go, ladies and gentlemen.